This is the Iowa Weather Report for Sunday, January the 13th, 2013. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At noon today we have a trough that's still off to our west, but the cold air has already arrived. Some energy over the southwest and up through the Great Lakes in the Midwest, and that's bringing some snow to the Great Lakes down into Illinois, clipping the eastern counties last night and moving out. Rain, and fairly heavy rain at that, in the lower Mississippi River Valley. Slowly moves to the mid-south and Tennessee River Valley Monday, but around here it's cold. The sun does return, but temperatures will be a couple degrees either side of 20, maybe some lower to middle 20s. Tuesday, same story, the front over the south and east not moving. We have a clipper system diving in from the north and west, producing some snow in Montana and the western Dakotas, still remaining dry around here. Wednesday, that clipper system moves by with, well, nothing, maybe but a few clouds and maybe a flurry or two in northern and central Wisconsin, but nothing around here. Highs still in the 20s, dropping into the upper teens for highs, maybe low 20s here on Thursday as another cold push of air comes down from the north. Still have rain off in the south and eastern part of the country. That remains the case here Friday. We have some lake effect snow in the Great Lakes. Another high pressure system near, well, about northwestern Minnesota, bringing more cold air down, so still highs in the 20s. And even into the weekend, we have another system, disturbance at that could bring a little bit of snow, and this isn't going to be a whole heck of a lot. It's not a very big system at that. And even a week from today, we still have the trough over the eastern half of the country, a ridge pumping itself up over western Canada, and that's just bringing the cold air from the Arctic Ocean straight southward toward us. And unfortunately, on Sunday, it doesn't look like it's going to get warmer. We have some 1,044 millibar highs just waiting to pounce into the United States from the north and west. A couple days later, on the 24th, the ridge begins to break down a little bit and flattens out, still over the western part of the country. Still a big cold trough over the east, a vortex over the Canadian Maritimes. And if this pans out, we could see more cold airs, if that's anything new. Big storm off the east coast and up into Canada, lake effect snow. So the lakes are going to get a lot of lake effect snow over the next week to 10 days. And at the end of the forecast on the 28th, pattern is zonal. Does that mean it's going to warm up? Probably not. We have some energy off New England. All the rest of the energy is up in Canada. And if this pans out, well, it's going to be more seasonal, maybe a little bit above seasonal levels, with some snow up to our north, lake effect snow again in the Great Lakes, and nothing around here. Satellite image from last evening showed a storm system in the middle part of the country from the Great Lakes through the middle Mississippi River Valley to the Texas Gulf Coast, with some snow in the north, some rain, showers, thunderstorms, and some flooding rain in the area, with nothing west and east of there. The watch warning map from last evening. A plethora of advisories: fog in the east, winter weather advisories from Oklahoma to Michigan, tornado watch in the south, some flooding issues from the Ohio Valley down into the lower Mississippi River Valley, and freezing weather over the desert southwest. QPF chart: precipitation over the next 5 days through Thursday evening at 6 o'clock, showing anywhere between 2 and 4 inches of rain from the Ohio Valley southward to Louisiana. Nothing around here, as most of the precipitation here fell last night.